2016 RCM Theory Syllabus. At Ultimate Music Theory, we got you covered. The 2016 Royal Conservatory of Music Theory Syllabus is creating quite a buzz with the introduction of new theory levels and new theory concepts, plus the introduction of melody writing, music history, and more, now introduced in all theory levels. For many of us busy teachers, that can be a little frustrating and at times overwhelming, with not knowing where to start, and not to mention trying to find the time to figure out all the new concepts and materials while we reorganize and transition our students into the new RCM theory levels. With so many things to learn and do, you may feel a little lost or even confused. Until now. Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain from GSG Music and author of the Ultimate Music Theory Workbook Series, along with Sheila McKibben-Uren, author of the UMT Exam Series. Looking for answers in teaching the new levels and new concepts in the 2016 RCM Theory Syllabus? We got you covered. Sheila and I have created the Ultimate Music Theory Supplemental Workbook Series. The UMT workbooks and supplemental workbooks are fun and engaging, and they help students prepare for nationally recognized theory exams, including the RCM. Here's a Tito tip. We are the only series with identical matching answer books for quick and easy marking, saving you hours of time. The UMT workbooks plus the UMT supplemental workbooks equal the RCM theory levels. The Prep 1 Rudiments workbook plus Prep Level supplemental workbook equal the RCM preparatory level, followed by the Level 1 supplemental workbook, which equals the RCM Level 1, and so on. Prep 2 Rudiments workbook plus the Level 2 supplemental workbook equals RCM Level 2, followed by Level 3 supplemental workbook. The Basic Music Theory workbook plus Level 4 supplemental workbook equals RCM Level 4, followed by the Level 5 supplemental workbook. The Intermediate workbook plus the Supplemental Level 6 workbook equals RCM Level 6, followed by Level 7. And finally, the Advanced workbook and the Level 8 supplemental workbook equal the RCM Level 8. Now, the Complete Music Theory workbook and Complete Level supplemental workbook prepare the accelerated learner for the completion of the RCM Level 8. UMT is easy to teach and fun to learn. Here's how it works. Let's take a quick sneak peek inside to see how the Ultimate Music Theory program builds knowledge. For example, in the Prep 1 Rudiments workbook on page 107, students begin to learn how to copy music. In the Prep Level supplemental workbook, the title at the top of the page introduces the new concept plus the page it follows in the Rudiments workbook. Here, students are learning about the new theory concept of melody writing, as it indicates to use after Prep 1 workbook page 107. Once both the Prep 1 Rudiments workbook and the Prep Level supplemental workbook are completed, students move on to the Level 1 supplemental workbook. Here, all the new Level 1 concepts are titled at the top of each page and introduced as we continue with melody writing and identifying the motive, rhythmic pattern, and melodic pattern. The Ultimate Music Theory chart and table of contents found at the beginning of each supplemental workbook clearly map out how each UMT workbook is to be completed. As a bonus, each supplemental workbook includes a final exam and certificate. What does Sola have to say? I love UMT, and we hope you will too. The new Ultimate Music Theory Supplemental Workbooks provide you with a proven step-by-step system that will easily walk you through each new music theory level. No headaches, no confusion, no time wasted. The Ultimate Music Theory Workbook and Answer Book series are the way to score success. At GSG Music, we are passionate about enriching lives through music education. Join the UMT family and get started today.